In this question, you have to identify the morphological nature of the edible part of coconut. Option A, cotyledon. It is incorrect because the cotyledon is the embryonic leaf within the seed. And in coconut, it is not the edible part. Option B, endosperm. The edible part of the coconut is the endosperm. In its solid form, it constitutes the white kernel, and in its liquid form, it is the coconut water. Hence, it is the correct option. Option C, pericarp. It is also incorrect because the pericarp is the outer covering of the fruit, which includes the exocarp, that is the outer layer, the mesocarp, the fibrous middle layer, and the endocarp, the hard shell. But these are not edible in coconut. Option D, perisperm. It is also incorrect because perisperm is a nutritive tissue that is derived from the nucellus, and it is not present in coconut.